Today I was telling about how to use DM me sticker on Instagram stories. For that, I was clicking on Instagram account, and here I was clicking on story, and here I was taking a, clicking on camera and taking a picture, and here I was clicking on other stickers. Here you have the symbol of our stickers. I was tapping on that, and here I was typing the DM me sticker. So the DME sticker was not available, it was updated. So we have another sticker for that. So here you can see the questions, ask me questions sticker. So I was clicking on ask me the question sticker, and here I was clicking on done. Like this you can uh, do it, and they will directly DM your questions. And here I was clicking on story. Like this you can do. Thank you.